What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a Facebook ad that I've been running for the past 7 days. I'm going to show you guys all the message conversions we got off of it, how many leads we got, all of the testimonials we were able to gather from this ad, as well as some of the crazy comments we got on it. And I'm going to be just basically walking you guys through my results with a 7-day Facebook ad, how much money I spent on it. So a lot of valuable information is going to be spread in this video. I'm basically going to make it a series on the channel where I kind of tell you guys about some of the ads that I'm running, and we'll see how well they convert. We'll see what kind of crazy messages we get on them, and we'll just have a good time with it. So if at any point you're curious about my Facebook ad strategies, you can check it out in the first link in the comment section and description. I took some screenshots from this ad that we've been running. It's actually not a pressure washing ad. It is for dryer vent cleaning. I actually had a guy reach out to me through my Instagram page. If you guys want to follow me, it is Forever Self-Employed. And we actually went to community college together. He messaged me and he said, "Hey, Justin, we went to community college together. I was in Iraq and I found your YouTube videos and your YouTube channel. And I just wanted to reach out because I have a dryer vent cleaning business and I want to propagate some leads." I was like, awesome. I said, let's hop on a phone call and let's get everything scheduled out. So we kind of got on the same page with regards to dryer vent cleaning, because I didn't really know dryer vent cleaning was a service. I've heard of it before, but I didn't know a lot about it. So he kind of filled me in my knowledge gap and kind of gave me some of the information that I would need in order to make the ad effective. We plugged it in, and let's go ahead and take a look at some of the results that we got over the course of the week. All right, you guys. So I got the screenshots pulled up from some of the message conversions that we got. This was actually the first message conversion that came through. I want to say it came through on the day that I posted it. It was relatively quick that we hit this guy. He asked me if I was in his city. He asked me how much. And basically, you guys will see that the pattern goes, I asked him if the vent exhausts through the exterior wall or through the attic. He let me know that there was the attic, and then I gave him the price that we were charging, and he sent me his phone number. Actually, this guy also had a shopping complex that he wanted a striping job done. He saw another ad that we had on the page for striping, and we went out and did a quote, which he said no to. I think we did it with Mr. Billy. He was like $7,500 on the quote, and the guy said that he had it done a few months ago for about $3,000. So that was definitely a no-go. However, we did get his business for $125 dryer vent cleaning, and that was the first ad that came through. So let's go ahead and hop into the second one here. Hey, Miss Blank, were you still interested in getting a dryer vent cleaning quote? So I'm going to show you guys the message conversions and the amount of money that I spent on the last slide of this. However, some of these message conversions were not counted because a lot of people reach out through the comment section and they go, how much is this? Because we got to think, whenever we are hitting people with Facebook ads, they're just trying to enjoy themselves. They're probably on their time off. They're scrolling through Facebook, looking at funny cat pictures, whatever. So this lady commented on the post, and she said, how much for dryer vent cleaning? I never like to give away prices in the comment section just because I like for people to comment. The more engagement that I get on the post, the better. So I want more people to comment how much it is. And then that leads to more message conversions. And then we can kind of tweak on the back end how best to get in front of them, whether we want to get in front of them before we give them a price or whatever we want to do. So she commented on the post. She said, how much is this? I asked her if she was still interested in a dryer vent cleaning quote. And she said, yes, please. As you guys see, does it exhaust through the exterior wall or the attic? She said through the floor. I don't even know if that's possible because I'm not a dryer vent cleaning expert. However, that's just how this went. So anyway, I got her phone number. I got my buddy Kale in touch with her, and she did not end up converting to a sale, unfortunately. Not a big deal. That's how it goes. Some people are just price shopping. That's why they just that's why some of these people just go, how much is this, on the comment section? They're not super serious, but maybe they might be interested in the future. So anyway, let's go ahead and hop into the next one. And I want to let you guys know that I am going to have my buddy Kale film himself doing some of these dryer vent cleanings, because as you guys will see, he pulled something crazy out of one of these dryer vents, and we're going to get to that here in just a second. So the next message conversion says, how much is dryer vent cleaning service? I said, hey, Miss Blank, thank you for inquiring. Do you happen to know if your dryer vent exhausts through the exterior wall or through your attic? She said an exterior wall. I said, okay, great. Exterior wall pricing is $60. She said, awesome, very reasonable. And this lady gave us the best testimonial. You guys are about to see here in just a second what her testimonial said. And she said, awesome, very reasonable on my price. So we could have probably hit her for more money. We probably could have been $80, $90. Really, me and Kayla are very entry right now. He's really just started this business. He's trying to figure out the pricing system. Obviously, the more lead flow we have, the higher prices we can charge. So we're still dialing in the prices to some extent. But we got this job done for her. And check out the testimonial that she left on the post. She goes, this is what Kale found in my dryer vent. Please get your vents cleaned regularly. He was super courteous and professional, and the price was awesome. 5 stars here. And I'm actually going to show you guys here what this picture was. Okay, so anyway, this is why I told Kale that we need to be recording all these because they would make for great YouTube videos. So he pulled out a bird's nest out of her dryer vent. Like, tell me that isn't a fire hazard. That makes for great social proof on this ad. I absolutely love it. So this was an amazing testimonial. I didn't even ask for this testimonial. She just went out of her way to do it. She felt like she got a great price, great service, and obviously it could have saved her house from burning down. So I love it. This is a comment that we got on the post, and it's just a comment. My friend's house burned down because of a dryer fire. And it's like, dude, thank you so much for furthering the fact that people need to get their dryer vents cleaned on our Facebook post. And it's just, it's just an awesome comment. We greatly appreciate it. So you want to be getting those kind of comments on your post. So the next one is looking for a price on dryer vent cleaning. Also, I need a quote for roof wash. So this guy, the next question I hit him with is, where does your dryer vent exhaust at? We're actually going to still go do a quote on this roof wash as well. So as you can see, these people are converting for multiple things. That first guy I showed you that we converted $125 dryer vent cleaning. He also wanted a price on parking lot striping. Now, if he would have said yes, man, that would have been like $7,500 on top of this ad. So that would have just been absolutely crazy. Of course, he did say no, but this guy also wants a quote for roof wash. And I told him that I would give him a quote based off the square footage of his home. Off the square footage that he provided me, I gave him a range, and that range was anywhere from like about $850 to $1,000. So this could potentially be another $900, $950 job off of $30 worth of Facebook ad spend, just because our page was ready to go. He checked us out, and he wanted to act on it. So I'll keep you guys updated on how this quote goes and if we land the job for that. So Kale went ahead and serviced him. That was another $125 job. And then this was his testimonial right here. Kale was very professional before, during, and after his work. 20 years of lint gone in a morning. And now my air vent on the roof works again as it should. I highly recommend, and will share on Facebook as well as friends, family, and coworkers. So absolutely beautiful testimonial. I love it. And that's why you got to collect them, baby. This person came through interested in a dryer vent quote. Thank you. I said, hey, miss, thank you. Does it exhaust through the exterior wall of your attic? She says through the attic. I told her the price. She says, okay, I'll tell my husband and get back with you. Now, the reason I didn't include every single sale that we got, but I included one so I could show you guys different things. And the reason why I included this one is because I want to show you some people will give you a BS excuse. Maybe they were just price shopping. Maybe they're not interested. I had a few people do this to me. They'll reach out through message conversions. They'll want a quote. I'll send them a quote over. And then they'll tell me, oh, I need my husband to check on it, or we're going to sell our house. I'll be in contact with you soon. I had a couple of different people do that to me. So we're kind of playing with something here. I'm trying to decide if maybe instead of giving the price to some of these people, we need to try to get in front of them, get their phone number, and maybe we convert better. And that's something I can let you guys know on in the future. It's just something that we're playing with right now. Is maybe I don't give the price to everybody, because then they go, okay, let me ask my husband. But then again, I don't want Kale wasting his time running around either. But it's true, you do convert a higher percentage when you go do a face-to-face quote. So anyway, on to the last little bits here. As you guys can see, these were our numbers. 3,500 people reached. Non-message conversions started on $28.41 of ad spend. And like I said before, we also had some commenters come in. So we actually had 11 conversions through this ad. People who commented and asked how much the service was. On $28 of ad spend, 11 people converted. That means $2.54 per lead. We serviced 6 clients at 2 price points. So as you guys saw, for the exterior wall, it was $60. And for the vent on the roof, it was $125. So we made a total of $620 in sales on less than $30 of ad spend, as well as we got a parking lot striping quote, which did not go well. And the second was a roof wash quote that we are still going to do. And I'll keep you guys updated on whether or not we land that. So as you guys can see, very, very profitable ads, not to mention the people that said, okay, I'll talk to my husband, or, we're going to be selling our house soon. I'll be back in touch with you. There's no telling, those people could convert into sales a little bit farther down the road. They are now in our funnel. And if you guys need a better way to keep track of customers, I will link a CRM down in the comment section description. Just click through. It's a free trial. You get 2 weeks free trial with my link. And yeah, you can keep track of all your people. You can send invoices. You can collect money through it. And it's just a time saver, and it allows you to keep track of people that say, oh, let me ask my husband. You know what I mean? You can check back up on them. So anyway, if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button on it for me. It's kind of a new series I just want to try out. And if you're interested in any of the Facebook ad strategies that I implement to get these kind of results, check out the first link in the comment section and description. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below, dry or fire. Because that one lady who commented on there and said that her friend's house caught on fire from a dryer vent, like, dude, you can't get any better than that. You know what I mean? Thank you for furthering our cause here. So anyway, my name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. And until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace. Hip-hop mentality, I stashed the look.